Južna Luka, located on the island of Ugljan, is one of Croatia's most serene and beautiful beaches. Nestled in a quiet bay, this secluded beach offers a peaceful retreat with its crystal-clear waters and beautiful white sand. Surrounded by lush Mediterranean vegetation, it provides a stunning natural setting perfect for relaxation. The shallow waters make it an ideal spot for swimming and snorkeling, allowing you to explore the vibrant underwater world. Accessible by boat or a scenic hike through olive groves, this beach feels like a hidden paradise far from the busy tourist spots. It's a perfect getaway for those seeking tranquility and a true connection with nature. Be sure to bring your own food and drinks, as there are no nearby facilities, making it a purely natural escape. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.